Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by AAFX Trading.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the BTC US dollar, recent developments and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Javier in our trading room.
The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 2.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. Apple stock made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The stochastic indicator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis.
Thanks, Javier. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
Investors scaled back safe haven bets as worries over a wider Middle East conflict eased, boosting world equities and pressuring gold, oil and bond prices. Tesla is expected to report its lowest gross profit margin in more than 6 years after a chaotic week that included major layoffs, vehicle price cuts and urgent calls by investors for clarity on product strategy. European Central Bank officials are sticking to plans to cut interest rates multiple times this year, even as higher US inflation delays a pivot to looser policy by the US Federal Reserve, and tensions in the Middle East keep oil prices high.
Thank you, Javier. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
The US Red Book Index will be released at 12:55 GMT. The US new home sales at 14 GMT. The US 2-year note auction at 17 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 6 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.